What did I miss out on? What did I miss out on out there, man? What did I miss out on? Come on!
Alright, man, truck today. Have a good day. Bye, 102. On that fireman truck, I want to kick back and be a neighbor friendly. Take care, fireman, fire truck, Marzana Station, 270, step in, aloha.
Hey, 270, man. What did I miss out on? I'm being nosy now. Hey, 270, what did I miss out on? Postman, being nosy.
Stuck on that, postman. Hello, postman. You just take out with my radio. Hello, postman. Down on there, mate. 270 with the bump down with the wave, aloha.
Well, you've taken control of my radio there, 270. I'm looking at this needle, man, and it's, you know, right up there around the 30. Right up there around the 30. Damn, it's right up there around the 30. Hey, 270. Get out of my 30 range, man. Postman, getting up.
Hey, yeah, post, don't forget 20. 28, post, look at 28. Postman, 28 in the crowds, I got down.
Well, 28, I'm looking at you, man. I'm looking at you. Scary picture there, brother. Hey, 28, that's a scary picture. What are you doing uploading that shit on Facebook?
Chevy lines waving a hand, man.
Uh-oh.
Man, take a 0 right back, 28, trying to put it right back, 28, say, come on. Man, you love it.
Hey, 28, man, you do it too easy. I'm doing a video go right about now. You see for yourself, man. Too easy, 28 Postman getting down.
Right there, post 28. The postman, he said you're going to run a video gate, man. Let's see if I can get you a good on your water gate. Postman 270, postman 270, step in, aloha.
Hey, 270, did you say you're stepping or you're stomping the yard? Hey, 270, I don't know why you said stepping. I thought you said you were stomping the yard.
28, 20. Look on that, and stomp on him at 27. Look at 27. Stomp on him right there. Take care, postman. Get on 28, 270, 27-0, got down, aloha.
Well, 27-0, man. 28's doing just the quick sly keys, man. It's like a quick sly key. He's in, he's out, he's in, he's out. Man, I don't think you know what you're doing there, 28. Are you in or you're out? Come on.
Right there, right there. I'm right there with him. Postman, you let him know. I'm right there with him. Take care, postman. 270, right with 28, aloha.
Well, 270, man, I won't tell you that you're right there with him. You can tell him yourself, man, because I'll tell you what, this video gate don't lie. You're right there with him, no doubt about it. Hey, 270, 27-0, man. You got that thing rocking on, Postman, reading this mail, come on.
I'm right there, post 28, post. You let him know when I use your video with the big man. He did all of them. Take care, postman. 270, come on. On his banana trees, I got down by 10.
Well, 270, man, on those banana trees. Whew. Man, shame on the mess out there. Hey, 270, you got that thing rocking on, no doubt about it. 270, you got that station rocking on down under, no doubt about it. 270 and more, 270 and more, 27-0. On 27085, rocking on, Postman, reading the mail.
Yes, right, 10. Stuck on that, postman, no doubt about it. I wouldn't mind, you know, I don't know where everybody went. He cleaned out all my radio, man. I got down. Hey, postman, you cleaned out all my radio. Take care, postman, we get 30 dBs in Maui, 270, gun.
Well, I'll tell you what there, 270, you got me smiling from ear to ear, man, no doubt about it. Hey, 270, right about now, like I said before, man, I'm just working a 2-pill modulator, man. Hey, 270, I'm just working a 2-pill modulator. I've got this thing talking through this great big James Boy Bill quad. Hey, 270, 06 Postman with my 150 bird, your Postman getting up.
Yeah, we got 150 bird, man. 28 trying to put in your quad. That's James Boy's Bill big quad, come on. He told it early. Take care with your 150 bird. You got 30 dBs in Maui, man, no doubt. Take care, 06 Postman, 270, got down, aloha.
And I'll tell you, man, my needle says 30 dB for you also, man. 28, I'm hearing you in there, but I'll tell you, 270's got this thing locked down, no doubt about it. Hey, Hey, 270, I'm hearing 28 in there dipping and dabbing with you, but you got that thing locked down right about now, no doubt about it. Alright, 270, alright, 28, slide onto the side, I'll upload these gates. Should be up in the next hour and a half or so, man. You'll see, you'll hear, you'll see, you'll hear what I hear, you'll see what I see. 06 Postman on this great big James Boy Bill Quad, getting on down. I'll see you.
Post, appreciate the one game, Postman 28. Hello to your Postman down under, number 5 Mobile 1012 in downtown in Honolulu. Come here.
Quickly key the mic, man. Say hello to my good friend number 5, man. Long time no spike the mic there, brother. Hey, number 5, you in there dipping and dabbing. I got 270, I got 28 locked down, and I got you in there too, man. I knew there was someone else in there, but I couldn't quite pull it out. Hey, number 5, good evening time your way there, brother. 06 Postman down under. Your 06 Postman just working this great big James Boy Bill Quad. With a 2-pill modulator, man. Damn, I might as well throw the rest of my junk away if the 2-pill will do it. Postman, getting down.
Post, your 2-pill, get on out. Post 28, gone now. And on your 2-pill modulator, with your badass James Boy's Bill Quad. Got 30 dBs in Maui, 270, got 2 your number 5. I mean, it's good talking, no vehicle, cruising the freeway.
Man, Mother Nature's dipping and dabbing and turning around right about now. You all dropped down to about on the plus on this Cobra 2 grand, man. Number 5, 270, 28, 789. The rest of the gang out there around a mini. Slide onto the side. Take them on easy out there. Bum it down on your soon. Your 06 Postman down under. This great big James Boy Bill Quad. And a 2-pill modulator on this Cobra 2 grand. Talking across the muddy blue waters, getting on out of the way. I'll see you. Bye, 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 bye. Well, as you cruise that thing on the freeway, I had to key it down one more time just to let you know around your side of town, man. Hey, number 5, you cruise that mobile, it's only a mobile and it's on the freeway. Well, Mother Nature done her thing that time round. Alright, number 5, bump it down on you soon there, brother. 06 Postman, stepping now, I'll see ya. Ahoy hoy, malama ponopili ahoy. Aloha. Hey Juice, I heard you too, man. Hey Juice, I did hear you in there too. Pineapple Juice out there in the northwest corner. Take care, brother. Bump it down on you again soon. Pineapple Juice. Number 5, 270, 789, 28. The rest of the good time gang. Don't forget, if you're still up at midnight, you got to check out my Midnight Madness. 06 Postman down under stepping. Aloha. Hey Juice, be nice now. I'll see you, bye.
Is this fucking working or what? Uh-oh.